Well guys, I've just got a phone call. I've just rushed to get dressed. We have a delivery and there's a van coming. I'm so excited. I haven't had time to breathe. I am so poorly as well, but no illness can stop the excitement of this new delivery. Oh my god. Have you seen that cheesy smile? Have you seen how icy it is as well? I'm glad our pathway's not icy. I'm going to move that bin out the way. It looks so ugly. Are you okay to be filmed?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's not bothered.
No problem.
Okay, so as you can see, it's Northwest Honda that is honouring me with a gift. I haven't got a drum roll. I'm sure I can find one when I put this up on the system. Oh, hang on, we might have one. I almost want to film it twice. I'm going to have to get this out as well, so we can upload on a few different systems. Right, you're going to have to take control. You're going to have to film me sitting on it.
There is an extra surprise on the bike.
Is there?
You've got heated grips off your husband as a present.
Oh my god. He knows me so well. I think I'm going to cry. Oh, wow. Oh, it feels brilliant. It feels better now you know that it's yours. Because it's mine. That one needs to be turned around. Come here for me for a minute. That's better. Oh my god, the size of the grips as well.
Yeah.
Heated grips. Couldn't be any happier. I just need to get the key in there and listen to the exhaust. An S model, everybody. Perks down. So icy. Okay, let me show you around. Okay, gonna get a key and gonna show you around. You ready? Okay. I'll turn that one off for a minute. There we go. Brand new colours, as you can see. What's my reg plate? I mean, that's a standard GYR, isn't it? Yeah, I'm going to get a special one for me, of course. Don't know whether to put Tinsley on it, or Rebel, or Faye. So many decisions to make. Should we put that on? Listen to her. Cheers. Swap you over again. Oh, it's down here, isn't it? No, down the other side.
Yeah.
See, I haven't had this for a while, have I? The last bike I had, which was like this, was the 125 Michigan days. No petrol in this. Shaun, love you to bits. Heated grips. Happy days. I'm going to turn that way. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Wow. This is my new Christmas present to me. Not more to say, really. Thank you. Take it off. Get it home. And see whether you all guessed or not. Ugh. Thanks, babe. Of course. Gorgeous. Brilliant.
Well, really enjoy
And this is
that.
mine. Oh yeah, I intend to enjoy that. 100%. Can't wait. Just need to get rid of this ice. I've got my heated grips, so I can't complain about that now, can I? Hey, I'm so chuffed to bits with that. Okay, let's get it locked away.
Good folks.
Good morning, everybody.
Well, yeah, the new bike, it was meant to have been revealed in a ride and what have you, but we've both been mega ill. The flu bug and what have you that's going around, we've both caught it. Fayes had it really bad. She's had 2 lots of antibiotics, steroids, bloody inhalers, so the bike has not turned a wheel.
No.
As you can see, Honda Rebel S. It's just all I don't know, you're gonna pick the colour up. It's got
metallic
like
grey it is,
yeah, well, it's metallic grey, but it's got like colour-coded wheels. It's got 4 gaiters. That's been blacked out. Headlight cowl. Obviously the heated grips, which I sorted.
Thank you so
So the
much.
top dude. Hate that word, dude.
Christmas.
Yeah, but yeah, made up with it. Faye loves it.
Love it to bits. The seat, I have to get off so you can see it.
The seat is a seat.
Oh, but they're comfy.
I know,
It is
it does.
so comfy.
It does look the part.
It really is.
Probably going to roll the bars back a bit or put risers on or something.
Yeah, you can tell, can't
Yeah,
you?
if she sits on and straightens it up. But as you can see, she's flat-footed and a massive heels. But no, she's flat-footed. It doesn't actually look that bad now. The other day it looked like you
Yeah,
needed
it
them
did
rolling
actually,
back a
didn't
bit.
it?
But we'll try and roll them back and just see how it goes.
Yeah,
see if it
just
mix.
these a little bit.
Well, I can't adjust anything with leave. They're not adjustable
Well,
either.
no, we'll get some adjustable ones.
Yeah, I told her about this. She said, oh no, they're fine. And now she can't even pull them.
Just make it fit me, that's all.
Make it fit you. Yeah, so we're going to put a little luggage rack on the back. Maybe a screen, maybe not. I don't know. We'll see how we get on.
Yeah, definitely having a screen.
Probably end up putting a pipe on it because that pipe's horrendous. As standard pipes usually are, but might put a pipe on it. We'll just see how we get on, and she will be taking this abroad next year.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, must say it's Christmas Eve today.
Yep.
So it's been, like say, it's been about 4 weeks since our last video. Oh shit, camera just fell down. Yeah, it's been about 4 weeks since last video. Just not been out. It's been rough as out. The weather's been crap. It's just been one thing after another. Do want to hear it? Hear the little parallel twin?
My rebel.
Let's have a look. Squat mileage. Squat. Anyway, folks,